You are welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be solving question number 8 from the series of questions we started earlier, and it's still on principles of tangency. This is the question. So the object has this curve, that is 1. It has this curve, 2. It has this one here, 3, and this one here, 4. And the center of this curve of radius 22 coincide with the bottom of this curve of radius 12, and the distance apart is 75. So let us start with that. We'll measure 75. Draw a horizontal line. We'll draw a horizontal line. I'll pick a point. Let me pick this place. Then I'll draw the circle of radius 22. The circle of radius 22. Let's measure 22. This is 22 is here. So I'll draw the circle of radius 22. Yeah, like that. Then okay. Now this center coincides with the bottom of this circle. So I'll now measure my 75. I'll measure my 75. 75 from 2 will be 95. It will be here. So at this point I need to draw a vertical line. I'll draw a vertical line so that I can get the center of that circle. Draw a vertical line. Now, and the circle is radius 12, so I need to measure that 12 upward to get the center before I will now construct the circle. So I'll measure, let me measure 12, or I can just measure 12 on my compass directly once and for all. This is 12, so I'll just come here, mark the 12 first at the center, then I'll now go to that point and use it to construct the circle. So I'll just do it once and for all, like that. So that is the circle. Now what's the next thing to do is to connect them with the two curves. Now take note that there's a 10 mm that is vertically placed from the center of this circle. Let us draw that line, because this arc is connected at that level of 10, and it's also connected to this place at that level of 10. So let us measure that 10 and draw the line of 10. So I've not drawn the vertical line here. Let me draw the vertical line first. So I'll now measure 10. I'll measure 10. This is my 10. So I'll draw this line of 10. Yes, so it is connected at this point and this point. Let me see it. No, it is connected here. Yeah, it's connected here and here. These two places, this place and this place. So this one goes to this place, and this one comes to this one. So how do we now connect it? If you look at this curve and this one, they are connected internally, because if you complete this curve of radius 55, this one small one will be inside of it, so they are connected internally. So we need to subtract. It will be 55 minus 12. So we'll now take it from this center to mark the point. 55 minus 12, that will be 30. That will be 33. Is that correct? 55 minus 12, this is 3, 43. That's 43. So I'll measure 43 now. From 7 to 3 is 4. 43 will be here. So I'll now go to the center of this one. I'll mark the arc of 43. No, that's not the center, this is the center. Mark the arc of 43. Now, if you now look at it, this line here is not tangential to this circle. it is touching it at this point. So that means you need to use the exact radius of this arc to intersect the other one to know the center. And the radius of this arc is 55. So I have to measure 55. This is 50, 55. So you come to this place now and use that 55 to intersect this. So that will be the radius. And you now come here now. So you now use that 55 from here now. And you draw this arc. You can see it is tangential to it and meeting this one at a point. So that is that. Now similarly for the bottom, it's the same thing. With this one and this arc, they are touching internally, so you have to subtract 22 from 75. That will be 53. Yeah, 53. So you measure 53. This 53. So you now measure it from this center and mark the arc. So from here I'll measure 53. I'll mark the arc. Then it is touching this place at a point. So I'm going to use, it's not tangential, so it's touching at this point. So I'm going to use the radius of this arc from here. The radius of this arc, I'll use it from here. And the radius of the arc is, oh, it's not 75, it's 85 actually. Oh, so this one is wrong. Let me erase it and do the correct thing. It is 85. Radius is 85. So it will be 63, not 53. Let's do that again. 63. This is 60. 63 will be here. So I'll stay at the center here and mark this arc. 63. So from there now, I'll now measure the exact radius from here, which is 85. I'll measure 85. This is 80. 85 is there. I'll take that one from this corner and I'll mark this arc here. It is not this one is not enough, so I need to extend this one. Yeah, it's meeting it now. So from that place now, I'll now use my 85. I'll now use my 85. This, I hope this is, let me check. 85. I'll stay here now. Okay, it's correct. Let me check it again. 85. So it is tangential to it like this, and yeah, you can see that's perfect. Thicken it. So I can now come and thicken this one, the remaining part of the circle. I can come and thicken the remaining part of the circle now, like this, up to this point. You don't need to thicken this one inside. The same thing with this one. This is the center of the circle. You take it here like this. Take it here. I thicken it. Hey, I shifted. Yeah, that's it. So that's the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.